a dog that's pregnant and an elephant that's pregnant around the same time. And it goes, a couple months, the dog has this litter, elephant's still pregnant. More time goes by, the dog gets pregnant again, has another litter, the elephant's still pregnant. So this goes through about a year, right? And then the dog goes back to the elephant, kind of, making fun of him. Hey, look, I've already popped out all these kids. Look at you. You haven't even had one kid yet. So after all this time goes by, the elephant comes back with this huge, majestic baby elephant. And then the elephant says to the dog, what you do is common and happens every single day. What I do is not that common. You don't see it very often, but it takes a long time to birth this dream. And so I'll just say this to you and every other person out there listening to this. If you've got a great dream and it's not common, it's not going to happen overnight. So you got to realize and take the time with it that what you're birthing is something that's great. So it's going to take the time to mature. It's going to take that time to grow.